Today I am discussing on very interesting topic, that is equations of motion. So mainly there are four formulas. These are very helpful for different type of calculations. Today my aim is to give knowledge about these four relations. Here four equations I have written in my notebook. So one by one I will prove. This will helpful for enormously each and every students. So first I come to the first equation, that is number A. Here let dv is small change in velocity, dv is small change in velocity, small change in velocity in time dt. A is acceleration. A is acceleration of the body. V, that is final velocity. U, that is initial velocity. This is of the body. Here we know that is A equal to dv dt. So we get that is dv equal to A dt. Now integrating on both sides. So this is in time 0, that is velocity u. It is time t, that is velocity v. So here we can write v minus u equal to at. So we can write v equal to u plus at. So if the body starts from rest, so u equal to 0, so we can write that is v equal to at. So I have proved this equation in vector format. It is also proved without vector format. So this is very important. Next I come to the next problem, that is problem number B. That is here s equal to ut plus half at square. So we can write that is v equal to we can write ds dt, v equal to ds dt. So ds equal to we can write v dt. So ds equal to, now putting the value of v, this is u plus at. So now we integrate of these equations. So when time is 0, that is distance is 0, when time t, that is distance, we can write that is s. So next we come to that is integrating s equal to that is ut plus half at square. So we get this value if the body starts from rest, that is u equal to 0, so s equal to half a t square. So this is very important for different type of solving problems. Next we come to the next problem, that is C. We can write that is without vector format, that is a equal to that is dv dt, hence dv ds dt. So equal to dv ds into v, so v dv ads. So integrating on both sides, that is when distance 0, that is u velocity, when distance is that is v, so we can write v square by 2, that is u by v at all, that is we can write that is as. So we get that is v square minus u square by 2, that is as. So we can write v square minus u square, that is 2as. So v square equal to u square plus 2as. So this is the proof. So we have proved this equation, and this is also proved with vector format. We also proved with vector format, that is, or we can write that is v equal to u plus at. So now we can write v dot v. V dot v means that is u plus at dot u plus at. So this is v square. This is, we can write u dot u plus u dot at plus u dot at. We can write that is plus a dot a that is t square. So we can write that is v square equal to u square plus 2 that is 2 we can write that is 2a ut 2a ut plus that is a dot a t square. So v square equal to u square plus 2a, taking common 2a, so we can write ut plus half a t square. So v square equal to u square plus 2as. This is the value of s. So we can prove with the help of vector format. So this is highly important for solving different type of numericals. Next we come to the next, that is d. That is d. D. Here we can write that is Sn. Sn means that is distance covered by the body, distance covered by the body, distance covered by the body in distance covered by the body in n second. That is distance covered by the body, distance covered by the body in n minus 1 second. So now we come to these equations. That is v equal to, we can write that is v equal to ds dt, v that is velocity. So ds equal to, we can write that is v dt. Again we know that is v equal to u plus at, we can write. So here that is ds equal to u plus at, we can write. So here we integrating on both sides, that is when n minus 1 second, then distance is Sn minus 1. When that is n, that is distance, we can write that is Sn. So when time n minus 1, then distance covered by the body Sn minus 1. When time n, then distance Sn. So we have to calculate. So this is S n minus 1, this is Sn. We can write that is n minus 1, that is n, u that is dt, plus n minus 1 n at dt. So here we get the value of this equation. So this is Sn minus Sn minus 1, we can write, and this is u, and n minus this is minus, that is n plus 1, we can write. Hence this is a. So putting putting the value, that is we can write n square, we can write that is n square by 2 minus n minus 1 the whole square by 2. So we can write, so this is nothing but this is s nth, and we can write this is u plus that is a by 2, that is 2n minus 1. So s nth equal to, we can write u plus half a, that is 2n minus 1. If the body starts from rest, then we can write that is u equal to 0. So s nth equal to, we can write half a 2n minus 1. So these 4 equations are very much helpful for solving different types of numericals. So this is the basic of physics. I think this class will be helpful for all the students. Thank you all my dear students. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all my dear students.